If your PC feels fast on paper but slow in real life, the problem might not be your CPU or GPU, it might be your RAM. In 2026, DDR5 is no longer just an upgrade. It is the foundation of every serious gaming rig, creator workstation, and high-performance build. And with so many kits on the market, the wrong choice can mean worse performance, unstable speeds, or a build that just doesn't look right. So today, we're counting down the top 5 DDR5 RAM kits you can buy right now. Let's jump in. Number 5. Kingston FURY Beast DDR5. Starting the list is the Kingston FURY Beast DDR5. If you're looking for dependable performance at a reasonable price, this kit is hard to beat. It offers excellent compatibility with both Intel and AMD platforms, solid overclocking potential, and a clean, understated design that fits almost any build. Whether you're building your first gaming PC or upgrading an existing system, the FURY Beast delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Number 4. Corsair Vengeance DDR5. Coming in at number 4 is the Corsair Vengeance DDR5. Corsair has built a reputation for reliable memory, and the Vengeance lineup continues that tradition. With high-speed kits, low-profile heat spreaders, and excellent stability, it's a favorite among gamers and creators alike. Its compact design also makes it compatible with large air coolers, making it one of the easiest premium memory kits to recommend. If you want performance you can count on every day, Vengeance remains a top choice. Number 3. TEAMGROUP T-Force Xtreem ARGB 6400 MHz. Taking third place is the TEAMGROUP T-Force Xtreem ARGB 6400 MHz. This kit is built for enthusiasts who want both speed and style. The mirrored heat spreader, vibrant ARGB lighting, and aggressive design make it one of the best-looking DDR5 kits on the market. But it isn't just about aesthetics. With high frequencies and strong overclocking potential, it delivers excellent performance for gaming, streaming, and demanding creative workloads. If your PC is meant to stand out, this RAM belongs on your shortlist. Number 2. Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB 64GB. Taking second place is the Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB 64GB. This is the kit for builders who want premium performance and premium looks in one package. With its refined aluminum design, brilliant RGB lighting, and massive 64GB capacity, it is perfect for high-end gaming rigs, content creation systems, and heavy multitasking setups. The Dominator Titanium line is all about luxury and performance, offering excellent stability, strong tuning potential, and a truly flagship feel inside any build. If you want memory that looks as powerful as the rest of your PC, this is one of the best choices you can make in 2026. Number 1. G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB. Taking the top spot is the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB. This has become one of the most trusted DDR5 kits for high-end PC builders, especially those using AMD Ryzen platforms. It combines premium build quality, outstanding stability, low latency performance, and beautiful RGB lighting in one complete package. Whether you're chasing maximum gaming FPS, faster rendering times, or simply building a flagship PC, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB consistently delivers the performance enthusiasts expect. If you're looking for one of the best DDR5 memory kits you can buy in 2026, this is it. Those are our picks for the best DDR5 RAM kits you can buy in 2026. Whether you're focused on value, clean aesthetics, RGB style, high capacity, or maximum performance, there's a memory kit here for every type of builder. Which one would you choose for your next PC? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.